So I'm Jeff Sterling, Managing Director of Universal Field Robots. The idea is to bring a machine out that can do useful work outdoors. When we first looked at what was happening in the world, there was a lot of development of million-dollar robots that really didn't do all that much useful and didn't help people. So we've tried to bring a robot out to market which can do a lot of different things, is going to be reliable, dependable, capable, and it's a platform, and then we'll add other functions and as people come along with then use cases.
So my name is Bruce McKercher. I'm a robotic engineer at Universal Field Robots. I'm currently working on a fruit picking application as part of an attachment for our pride and glory, the 3.5 tonne autonomous excavator. We're running some deep learning, some AI to detect avocados in the field of view. From that, we're using stereo cameras to detect the target location in an XYZ coordinate frame. And from that, we're able to then drive the KUKA robot, which is our small industrial robot, to that pose, and then it's able to then pick the avocado or whatever fruit of interest we might decide to pick. It's designed so we can then interchange the attachments. So one example is, as I said, fruit picking, but we may then interchange that for a mower, so we can then mow in between the trees. We might then drop that and pick up a weeder to do pesticide control.
We called it Universal Field Robots because we want to make our machine as universal as possible. The idea is that if we can get this core machine to work well, we can apply it in a whole different range of scenarios. Initially, we started with agriculture because we've had interest from people in the farming industry to sort of bring a machine in there and do things like fruit picking, mowing, pruning, spraying, all that sort of stuff. And that's all based on the one machine. So that's where that universality comes in with the Universal Field Robots product. So this event's been really good for Brisbane because it's brought a lot of like the world's leading robotics experts down to Australia. There's some great stuff going on, and there's some brilliant people around that we're really being able to connect with and share ideas and get learn stuff from their experience in a similar space or even a completely different space that they're working in. It's still interesting to hear about what's going on in the robotics and machine learning type industry.